Good afternoon. My name is Liliana Rueda Monsalve. I am 20 years old. I am from Municipality Betulia, Santander. I am dedicating to life, good culture, big eyes, one fun studying. My favorite hobby is reading, is sharing with the family. I live in Betulian with my husband Johnson. I am I am student in the life and shoulders pedagogy. My favorite TV series is the Paper House. My favorite sport in Microsoft Soccer. In higher orders only my maternal grandparents, my father, my mother, three brothers, my son, my husband. My mother is Marta Monsalve. She is Beatriz Rull. She is a housewife. She is a San Vicente de Chucurí. And my mother is very nice. She is tall, arranged, and purple cheeks, and black hair. My father is Rodrigo Rueda. She is the father for 60 years. He is from the Milesian Juan Betulian. He is in love, earphones with Spanish woman. Charlene Sanchez with full brand. Hiles bring nice. My brother is John Freddy, 30 years old, Javier, 20 years old, Jonathan, 60 years old, all very affection and responsibility. Then paper me for be in the orb and sister in also for be others. My son is 5 years old. High school name is David. He is a vibrant and intelligent in the loving clothes. Charles, I love animal ebooks. My husband is Marco Antonio. He is 31 years old. He lives on the ground as the contractor. He is very responsible, living indoor, working. This is my grandfather. His name is Julian Monsalve. And this is my grandmother. His name is Cecilia Hernandez. Thank you.